Hi, this is Priyanka. This is about today's market update. On the start of this week, it was observed that today the market ended flat in a highly volatile session supported by last hour buying in IT, metal, pharma and FMCG. The Sensex closed almost at 86 points down at 14,771 and the Nifty ended 7 points lower at 14,736. Fear of a second coronavirus wave elevated bond yields and weak global cues weighed on the market. The expectation of a rise in inflation also hit the market. The market has marched well in anticipation of fast economic recovery and is taking a breather given tightening restrictions and an increase in the future interest rate, spiking fear of a slower recovery rate suggested by experts. The Nifty formed a doji candle on the daily scale and negated its formation of lower highs of the past few sessions. Thus, it was seen that the Nifty saw consolidation and closed flat as banking and financials came under pressure, while FMCG, IT, metals and pharma supported the market on a volatile day. The index closed near the opening level and formed a doji pattern on the daily charts. A doji candle indicates indecisiveness among the bulls and the bears. Bounces were being sold in the absence of follow-up buying interest. The index has decisively surpassed 14,788 to break the consolidation range set by experts. The Nifty, which opened lower at 14,736, hit an intraday high of 14,763 and a low of 14,597. It fell a percentage intraday before recovering in the last hour of trade to close at 14,736, down by almost 7 points. Short-term traders should wait for a decisive move beyond 14,790 levels to go long for an initial target of 14,950 by placing a stock below intraday low. It seems to be the day of consolidation on the bourses as the Nifty remained volatile with a 166-point trading range. If the index breaches 14,597 on the downside, it can weaken further by slipping to the lower end of the consolidation range. As of now, upside is getting capped around the index 50-day simple moving average, which is at around 14,650. If 14,788 is cleared, then strength shall initially expand towards 14,875 to 14,950 levels. India VIX was up by almost 2%. On the options front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,500 levels, followed by 14,400 strike, while the maximum call open interest was seen at 15,500 levels, followed by 15,000 strike. Call writing was seen at 15,500, then 15,000 levels, while put writing was seen at 13,600, then 14,700 strike. The data indicates that the Nifty could see a wider range of 14,350 to 15,000 for the coming sessions. The Bank Nifty opened negative at 34,088 and with weakness pulled the index to 33,389 levels in the first half of the session. However, some recovery was seen, but the index ended the day with 558 points lower at 33,603 levels. The index has been underperforming the Nifty from the last few sessions. It formed a bearish candle on the daily chart but negated its formation of lower highs of the last 5 trading sessions. Now it needs to hold above 34,000 to witness a bounce towards 34,500 to 35,000 levels, while the downside support is seen at 33,333 and 33,000 levels. Among the sectors, the Nifty IT, metal, pharma and FMCG indices added a percentage each, while Nifty Bank and PSU Bank indices shared a percentage each. Broader indices outperformed the main indices, with BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices rising almost 0.7 to 1%. Sectorally, except auto and bank, all other indices ended in green. FMCG, healthcare, IT and realty indices rose by 1 and 2%. What must a trader do tomorrow? The Nifty has to hold above 14,700 zones to witness an up move towards 14,900 and 15,000 zones, while on the downside, immediate support exists at 14,600, then at 14,450 zones. Hence, in the next trading session, if the Nifty fails to get past 14,788 levels, then a sideways move between 14,788 to 14,350 levels can be expected till monthly expiry, which is just 2 trading days away. As stated by Goldstone, expert traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop loss and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Follow support and resistance levels along with trading calls as published on our Telegram channel. For regular updates, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Telegram channel. Also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Be a part of Goldstone family on our Facebook. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.